Alright, so I just come back from a club session at Toastmaster, and I wanted to share with you what I have learned during that session, and it is a big lesson learned for me. I was very focused on my speech, into the preparation, the detail. I really spent a long time on that. But what I feel is that from the very beginning, I didn't focus on the right thing. And I think the right thing was really what was my audience looking for. I was maybe too much focused on what I want to share to my audience, but the discussion, the speech, I feel didn't really connect with the audience. I felt that they actually didn't understand and that they didn't really get the point. And I thought that it is true, I was very self-focused. It was all about, what the problem that I had. When I talked actually about procrastination, because I thought that was one of the problem that all Toastmaster has, that we have to deal with procrastination when we prepare a speech. But when I presented it, I felt that I didn't got this connection. Of course, I got some good feedback and people were pumped about the speech. This is what they told me, but I could see in the face that they couldn't understand everything. So the lesson learned is that at first, before you prepare any kind of speech, just try to understand who is your audience and why they are here. And it's more about what they want to hear. It is not about what you want to present to them. Nobody cares about what you want. But if you really want to catch the heart of the audience, if you want to get them to listen to you, to feel passionate about your speech, it is about what they want to hear, which kind of message they want to get from you. And I spend all of this time, and I feel I spend all of this time focused on myself, focus on my speech, focus on what I wanted to deliver. And actually the lesson was more them. What do they want to hear and how they want to hear it? And one of the comments I got was to be a bit more into the emotion. That is not it's not a class where I just explain, okay, you have this problem and here's how you fix it. And that's not the kind of connection that you want with your audience, because you will get none. But instead, if you talk about something that they can relate to, something that they can feel passionate about, something for which they feel emotional about, this is something in which you will much more connect, much more bond with the audience. This is something for which you will get them focused on listening to you. And it is true that through my speech I felt I lost this connection. They were not very into my speech, they were not focused into what I was saying. So the big lesson is, don't focus on what you want to say, just focus on what your audience want to hear. Try to understand them. Who are they? Try to talk with them and adapt your speech to their message, to the message that they want to hear. And you will get a better connection, and try to talk about something that they can relate. Some of you personal experience that for which you had a problem, for which you learned something, and for which they can also learn something because they relate to you. They also feel that it could happen to them also. So that was a big aha moment for me that I wanted to share with you, because it could also happen to you if you happen to have a speech. And you know what, as usual, if you have any comment, just comment below. What do you think about bonding, connecting to an audience while preparing a speech? Comment below.